All right, let's see how we can set up templates on our Gmail account. I'm just going to sign into a junk Gmail account that I have. It's just called Phil Nash's Junk Mail. There's nothing on it. I just use it to when I have to sign up for stuff, just to be able to get access to a web page or something. So let's have a quick look. Here we go. So this is my regular email account. There's nothing on it. So let's just say we want to compose. So up we come with compose, and I want to put a template in. Well, I haven't got any templates in there yet. We need to actually load that up. I go down here and I click here. Now, if you don't see any templates here, then that means we haven't got it set up. So what we have to do is close this down, and then we have to go into settings and click all settings. And then you go to advanced, and then down here you'll see templates. So what we do is we enable templates and save changes, and then we can go back to the inbox, which is where we are here now. So now when I compose and I want to import a template, then I can see that templates has come up here. Now right now we don't have any templates, so what we're going to do is maybe introduce the first template. So what I'm going to just do is a very quick, this is my first template, and let's just put that in there. Okay, and then we can put my signature and all the other bits and pieces, Phil Nash signature, etc., whatever you want there. So now to save this as a template, it's going to take the title of the template from the subject area. I'm just going to go to templates, and then I'm going to go to save draft as template. Then I'm going to go and save a new template, and this is my first template. I can change it if I want, you know, potential buyer number 1 letter or something like this. So I'm just going to go save there. And then that's it. So now whenever we look in our templates, we're going to see we have at least that one template. So whenever I want to quickly go in and just type a message, and I can put in the email address, you know, abcd@gmail.com, whatever it is, then I can go down to here, I can go to templates, and I can say this is my first template. I can change this, I can change anything in it, but there it is, it's all basically done. And then I would send it out. Now the other thing I want to show you is that you can delay sending this out. So if you wanted to maybe send your first letter now, and your second letter tomorrow, and your third letter the day after, you have this ability. So for instance, this particular one, I can want to send it out now, then I'll just click send. But if I wanted to maybe send it out tomorrow, then I'll click on this and I'll go schedule send. And then tomorrow morning, so I'll pick a time and date, you know, so I can say I wanted to go out tomorrow, and I wanted to go out maybe at 12 p.m. and therefore it will then schedule send. I'm not going to hit it because I've no idea that may be someone's real email address. So there's that, and you can have a whole row of them up. When you have a customer and you maybe got 10 emails that you want to send to them in a row, then you can actually schedule 10 email sendings from your account. It's the same as what a CRM would do automatically. So that's the end of that. That's how you actually get a template set up there. At any time you can delete or change the templates, or just overwrite it. If I wanted to say, oh, this is my second template, for instance, I wanted to change that second, you know, then I can actually go here and I can either set up a new one, or I can actually override. So save this template, this I can save it as this one, or I can save as a new template. If I go and save it as this one, it'll ask me, do I want to overwrite it, and I can go save, and there you go. So that way you've got a whole bunch of templates already lined up. Thanks very much. Bye.